Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says 36 minus 16 divided by 4 times 6/10. Well, I need to remember that this is an order of operations problem. So I'm writing PEMDAS on my paper, circle that M and D and the A and S. From left to right, do I have any parentheses? Nope. So we're not on that anymore. Do I have any exponents? Nope. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes, I do. I'm going to solve the division right here first. So that means now I'm going to rewrite the problem, except I'm going to change just that portion to the answer of it. So 36 minus 4 times 0.6. Now I still have some multiplication, so I need to do it. So I have 36 minus 2.4. Now to solve this as our subtraction step, and I'm going to have 33.6. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com where you can get a live math tutor who can help you with all of your math needs.